In this video, I'm showing you something insane. I'm about to build scroll-stopping ads in front of you without touching an editor, without paying someone to do it for me, and without spending more than 10 minutes doing it all by using AI. My name is Ritu. I've built multiple online brands and brick-and-mortar businesses, and one thing that is a non-negotiable to run any business are ads. Ads have always been the part that scares people the most when launching a business, but after today, I promise it won't scare you anymore. If you don't want to show your face, but you want to start an online brand, or if you simply don't want to film the ads yourself, this video is for you. Stick around because in the next 10 minutes, I'm walking you through the entire process, start to finish. If you like this type of content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. This helps me out so much. My goal is to produce as many free tutorials for you so you can launch your own online brand with ease. Now let's get into today's video. So we're going to be using Claude Fable 5, their newest model, connected to Higgsfield. Fable 5 does the thinking, Higgsfield builds the actual videos. First things first, what is Claude, what is Fable 5, and what is Higgsfield? Let me break it down for a complete beginner. Claude is an AI. If you've used ChatGPT before, it's the same idea. You talk to it, it talks back, it can write things, plan things, think through problems with you. Claude is just the one I personally use and trust the most. I have many videos on Claude on my channel if you want to learn more ways to use it. Fable 5 is simply the name of the newest, smartest version of Claude. Companies keep releasing updated versions of their AI, and Fable 5 is the current one, and we're using this one in today's video. Now here's the part that actually matters for what we're doing today. On its own, Claude can only talk to you. It can give you ideas, write you a script, plan out an entire ad campaign, but it cannot physically make a video. It has no hands. That's where Higgsfield comes in. Higgsfield is a tool that actually creates videos and images using AI. So if Claude is the brain, Higgsfield is the hands. One thinks, the other one builds. When you connect them together, here's what happens. I tell Claude what kind of ad I need. Claude figures out the best way to build it, the concept, the script, the style, and then it directs Higgsfield to actually generate the video. I'm not filming anything. I'm not editing anything. The AI is doing both the thinking and the making. That's the whole concept. Now, let me jump behind my screen and show you how to set it all up. Step 1, go to claude.ai and create your account. Link is going to be in the description box below, just like any other link mentioned in this video. Step 2, go to higgsfield.ai and create your account there too, also linked down below. This is the tool that's actually going to generate your videos. Step 3, now go back to Claude. In the bottom left, click on your account and then go into settings. Click on connectors. Step 4, click the little plus button next to connectors and choose add custom connector. Step 5, it's going to ask you for a URL. This is the one part where you need to copy and paste something exactly. I'm putting the exact link in the description so you don't have to type it out yourself. Paste it and then click add. Step 6, that's it. Higgsfield is now connected to your Claude account. One more thing before we start. When you open a new chat, click the plus button in the message box, go to connectors and make sure Higgsfield is toggled on for that conversation. And at the top of your chat, make sure you have Fable 5 selected as your model. That's the version we talked about a second ago. That's the whole setup. A few clicks and you're ready. Now let's actually build the ad. Now for the sake of today's video, I'm going to be building ads for a posture corrector. It's a simple product and I picked it because it's the kind of thing anyone watching could realistically sell. Keep this same product in your head as I walk you through it because the process is identical no matter what you're selling online. Before I generate anything, I need to actually tell the AI what I'm working with. This is the part most people skip, and it's the reason their AI make ads that end up looking generic and fake. So here's exactly what I type into Claude word for word, nothing technical. I sell a posture corrector for people who sit at a desk all day and deal with back and neck pain. The biggest reason people hesitate to buy is they think it's just a gimmick and won't actually work. Using Higgsfield, create a video ad that feels like a real customer talking about their experience. Casual, authentic, not like a polished brand ad. Focus on how it feels to finally sit pain-free after using it. Generate this with Higgsfield. That's it. That's the whole message. Tweak this prompt to your product. Now I hit enter and now watch what happens on screen. I'm not writing separate instructions for Higgsfield. Claude takes what I just told it and directs Higgsfield itself.
This sat in my cart for a month because I was sure it was junk. 5 minutes on the floor after work.
That's ad 1 done, and nobody had to show their face, mine, or anyone else's. For the second ad, I don't start a new conversation. I stay in the same chat because Claude already knows everything about my product. I just type build a second ad for the same product, same audience, same objection, but open with the pain point in the first 2 seconds before you even mention the product. Make it a problem, then solution style ad. Generate this with Higgsfield.
8 hours at a desk and my lower back is done by 2 p.m. I was rubbing it in meetings. Then my sister sent me this thing and I rolled my eyes so hard.
And for the third one, build one more ad for the same product. This time I want a pure scroll stopper, no calm intro, no story, just something that grabs attention in the very first frame. This one's for TikTok specifically. Generate with Higgsfield. 3 completely different ads, same product, same conversation, and realistically, this took me less than 10 minutes. Now here's the part that actually matters more than the AI part. Which one do I run? Because this is the decision the AI can't make for you and it's the actual skill behind good ads, here's what I'm going to tell you. The problem/solution ad is the one I'd run first to a cold audience, meaning people who have never heard of my brand before. It does the most convincing work in the shortest amount of time. The testimonial style ad, I'd say for people who've already seen my brand at least once. It builds trust, but it doesn't need to grab attention from zero anymore. And the scroll stopper goes on TikTok specifically, where I need to win in the first half second or I lose the person completely. That decision is why I always tell my students, the AI gives you the asset, but you still need to understand your own customer to know exactly which ad actually deserves your ad budget, especially if you're doing paid ads. Quick tips if you're going to try this yourself. 1. Always give it the reason someone hesitates to buy, not just a description of the product. That's the difference between a generic ad and one that actually converts. 2. Build a few different concepts in the same conversation instead of starting over each time because it keeps everything it already knows about your product. 3. Don't skip picking your favorites yourself. The AI doesn't know your customer, you do. If creatives have been the one thing standing between you and launching your brand, this is genuinely the whole blocker gone. And I actually run free training twice a month, walking you through the entire process of launching and running an online brand. If you want in, just check out the link in the description box below. And of course, if you want to use the exact tools I used today, Higgsfield is going to be the first link in the description box below. Make sure to check out Higgsfield. It's going to make your life really, really easy. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Bye.